What's up guys, this is Donbigs. Welcome back to another video tutorial. So, if you guys remember last time we did a cruel gaming intro. Now we will do another cruel intro. Let me show you the final output of the intro. All footage used you can download for free in my description. Let's get started. Open Pixellab.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how, putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right. Cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control, then don't just...
Open Kinemaster.
Everything seems to be so perfect. Yeah, she gives you feelings and yeah, she gave you purpose. Though suddenly it changed, man, she really just rehearsed it. She grabbed the staff to strengthen it and then she really cursed it. It was working, we called it love, but I just guess you only needed it to really grab a buzz. Yeah, she really left me there in the cold. I'm like, what? I don't wanna feel this pain. It has really been enough, like it's really been enough with all the pain that I done felt. Cause I just wanna rise, so wanna go excel. Cause all the things you bring don't do me well, so I'ma go and be on myself so I can truly build. I'm by myself, I don't need you no way. I don't need you no way. I got a about my future, I gotta isolate. It's when you let me there, something died today. It let me stuck, yeah, hoping I could find my way. My brain's been torn apart, it feels like it's been microwaved. Well, I just guess I think too much, I'm thinking time away. I try to fix, but it's broken, I try to find a way for us to be growing towards a brighter way. But I just guess it was wrong, cause you stepped me with you stepped me with the iron blade. You got me bleeding from my body, though it's all inside my mind today. I have to isolate, I have to find a way. Otherwise I might as well just really give my life away. I need some light today, I need to fight today. I need to prosper my emotions so I can be alright, okay? Cause I just wanna take a turn, I just wanna leave the memories, fuck it, let it burn. Let it go for the better, I know you can do this. Don't think about the past, man, that stuff is stupid. It's all about the future, so that is what I'm doing. I've been focused on my mission, I'ma tap in and pursue it like hey. I'm by myself, man, I don't see you run away. I'm by myself, man, I don't need you run away. Hey.